Hi, welcome to Jamaican Cooking 101. Today we're parching peanuts. Yes, traditionally peanuts are baked by the Rastaman in the moving cart. Yes, but today we're doing it in the kitchen in a pot. Sometimes it can be parched with sand and this will ensure that it's evenly done. But I don't have any sand to put in this pot today, so we're doing it my style. Inside the peanut pod you can find 3 to 4 peanut grains, but some tend to be a little smaller. So I've selected some that are of the same size and we're going in. We're heating a pan, place those peanuts in and you don't stop stir. You stir. Make sure they don't get too brown on one side. We're gonna stop and test to see what they look like and then go again if necessary. Alright, so let's check one now. Whoa, it's hot, man, it's hot. Alright, so let's crack that pod and see what's happening on the inside. Let's see what's happening. Notice the trash can come off easily, so we know that it is parched. Okay, you could also bake it in the oven and you'd get the same result. Only thing, the trash would be of its same color. You wouldn't see any black on it. Alright, so now you can use this peanut for making your peanut butter, your smoothies, peanut brittle, peanut drops, whatever you want to use it as, or you could just eat it just like that. Now you could pop these in the oven instead of doing them on the stove top and you would get almost the same result. Only thing, the trash would not be dark. Alright, so here I have it. I have the awesome task of taking off the trash, but you can just rub them in your hands and they'll come off. Alright, so here we have it. By the way, anybody know how peanut grow? It grow on tree or underground? Put it in the comment section if you know. Thank you so much for watching Jamaican Cooking 101. Remember to subscribe, like and share.